so he can upload them to YouTube. Okay, whenever you're ready. You ready, Caleb? Hold on. You ready? Whoa, almost fell. Caleb. Yeah. Again. Go ahead. Get the exercise in, boy. Go help him out. He got you. Caleb visits the park with brother. Oh. Climbing the ladder. Hold on to him. Oh, climb up. Up. Climb.
Elbow just that way.
Up. Climb. Up. Push him on in there. Make sure you're up there. There you go. Okay. Oh, Caleb's got the... What? I see. Oh, is water up there?
Come on, Caleb.
He's splashing the water. Oh, yeah. Gee.
Oh, Caleb, you going down by yourself?
No. It's too big for him to go down.
Okay.
You go with him. Gee. Maybe the next round he'll go by himself. Gee. Oh, one more time. One more time. Yeah, he right there. Maybe this time he can go by himself. Ho! When you pick him up like that, Brian, when you pick him up like that, do 1, 2, 3, count down so he know to brace himself.
Oh, Caleb.
Oh, that's okay. Climb.
Really trying.
He getting it. Yeah, he getting it. He independent. We already know that.
Put your feet. Yep.
What? Uh-oh. You got it. Keep going.
Keep going. No. Too early.
Keep going. One more. There you go.
I gotta teach him to go all the way.
Yeah.
At this age, I'm not letting him do in shortcuts.
Right.
Yeah,
Hold his legs up there. Hold him up there. Help him get up there. See?
I got you.
See? Where's my dramatic music when I need it? Because if you drop my child, I'm only going to have one son. Caleb. Hey, Caleb. Wave for the camera. Wave for the camera. Okay, I'm going to stand right here.
Should I wait for him at the top or the bottom?
Sit down. Sit him down. He can do it. If you want to do it himself, let him do it himself.
Oh, you want to do it yourself?
Come on.
All right. Go to Dad, okay?
He slowed himself down. There you go. There you go. I knew he was going to slow himself down. Watch out. Watch out, Caleb.
Watch out.
There you go. Okay. What the heck was that? That was the most retarded bootleg skip to Malou.
I obviously don't want to slide on my butt, so you know.
Oh, why? You been sliding all this time.
That's because I was doing it for Caleb.
That don't make sense, Brian. You're not making sense. I'm calling you on it. All right, let's head back home. It's getting dark. Yes. We go to this problem.
No.
We go to this. Yeah, that's his new word. No. Somebody taught him no. Come here, Caleb. Climb right here. What are you doing? This is a parkour.
You can't even say it right.
What is it? Stay right there, Caleb.
It's parkour, not
You doing parkour for beginners? Show the internet your parkour stage 1 for beginners.
But I'm not a beginner though.
Oh, you ain't no beginner? Okay, well then show them your advancement. Your intermediate skills. Medium. Okay, come on, let's get on the
If
bike.
they got a fence, I would have hopped over it.
Yes. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Caleb.
See you, Caleb.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, Caleb. See you. See you later.
So, Dad, are you a vlogger now?
I just do it for him. Come on, Caleb. You're really far. I just do it for him so because he likes to watch it on the iPad. I put it on YouTube. Oh, here it comes. Come on. Oh, jump. Oh. Yeah, it's like a big supercar. It's wet. Ew, it's wet. Yeah. It's wet. He ran around to get in. It's an old car. This car old.
Yeah, how do you fit in it?
You got it?
They can't expect kids to
There you go.
Look at this.
Ugh, it's wet.
the steering wheel there and the seat all the way.
He finna be soaking wet. And there go his pants. He literally sat in the wettest spot on the doggone thing. It's wet. Come on. Yeah. What was that?
Fireworks, kid.
What?
The hat?
It was the fireworks. Oh, look at the airplane. Airplane. You see it? It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, come on. Let's go home. Yes. 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 You shouldn't tell your daddy no in front of YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video goes. That's his new word, no. Come on. Oh, we taking your bike. He ain't gonna let the bike go, watch. Oh. Ha! Oh, there you go. Oh. Come on, get on your bike. I know we're supposed to strap you in. You got it? Sit back.
It's so hot.
It's hot. Yeah, that's because you've been running. You ready?
Huh.
Okay, let's go.